I wanted to actually show this one earlier. You know, I often talk about Amazon and how I like to short it because I've got a long-term holding in Amazon, which I intend to hold forever. Okay, so a couple of issues which come up on this one. As ever, we're looking at the 1 hour time frame, one of our favorite time frames. We had the buy signal all the way over here. And then, thanks to the patterns that we recognize over here, remember we don't manage to catch the bottoms. We don't catch the bottoms because we don't have a crystal ball. But that's fine because you can see the bit that we do capture keeps us all the way here. Several things I want to highlight just as reminders to my apprentices in any event, one of which is this. All these arrows pointing in the same direction gives me a confidence. They're almost like a traffic light. Gives me confidence that in the continued strength of this move. Okay. Now, one of the issues which is important here, let's say you bought around this level and then the price, of course, went lower. Didn't hit your stop loss, which is this yellow line here, which is priced over here, as you will know. Okay, but it didn't hit it. Instead, went down. What do? Well, obviously, it didn't hit your stop loss, so you don't worry about it. It then started going back up, and that's fine, and went up. So there was no issues in that case. Sometimes people say, oh, I was getting towards the stop loss. What do? Well, it didn't hit the stop loss, so what are you worried about? Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing I wanted to mention is, don't forget, we look to add to our winning positions at this red dotted line, which is this number over here, and it has its own stop loss, which is there. But there's an issue. The price just gapped ahead. You didn't even get a chance to do that. So would you still do it up here? On most occasions, I'd say no. You've got your big, massive move up, and that's fine. Excuse me, I've got a call. You've got your big, massive move up. That's perfectly fine. And then what's clearly happened is you've missed the opportunity to add to the winning position because it's already moved up. Now, if you'd already set an order with your broker, they are most likely going to have executed it somewhere up here, and that's fine. You still profited from it. If you didn't set one, I wouldn't recommend setting one higher up, even though in this case it would have given you a nice little profit, only because that's where the order was and the price you find is up here. Well, it's a bit late, isn't it? It's a nice problem to have because look at the chunky fat profit you made. Something else I want to do, I've often talked about the interaction between timeframes. Well, look at the 4 hour time frame. We can see there that on the 4 hour time frame, whilst we had the buy signal and then boom, we've got another buy signal up there confirming where we are, and that's a nice little confirmation. Now, do you need to look at the 4 hour? No. Do you need to look at these traffic light signals? No. However, if you have the time and the inclination, you are more than welcome to decide to buy and hold based on these traffic light signals, I like to call them. I'd put those onto all our charts only because I personally just wanted to get a gauge. If I looked at a chart, well, okay, 5 greens, great. Similarly, do you need to and have to look at the next time frame? No, but some people like to do it. They like to look across and say, oh, look, you know what? That's got a buy. This has got a buy. I'm going to stick to the 1 hour and I'm going to stay. I feel strong in my conviction. So that's a bit of an analysis. Now, if you're looking at this on my Telegram app, remember you get that from pipspredator.com, useful links page, pipspredator.com, useful links page. Then you'll have been seeing this video there. If you're not seeing it on there, but you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel or go to pipspredator.com and go to useful links and you'll download the app and you'll be able to see more of these training videos on what we're looking at, why we look at things the way we do, and all sorts of other insights. Okay, thank you very much.